Whether you're building new, remodeling, doing it yourself or hiring it out, the biggest mistakes don't happen during tile installation. They happen before work ever starts. Materials get chosen. Plans get approved. Contracts get signed. And homeowners spend thousands of dollars without really knowing what risks they're stepping into. What I offer is personal, project-specific help, so you understand your exact situation before money gets spent or tile gets set. That way, you know who you want to work with. What materials actually make sense. And what questions you should be asking. Instead of finding out the hard way later. I've spent over 35 years in tile, stone, and remodeling. And one thing I've learned is that every project is different. Different homes. Different layouts. Different substrates. Different risks. That's why generic advice only goes so far. What I do is work directly with homeowners. I look at your plans, your photos, your layout, your materials. And the conditions you're dealing with, before tile is installed. I'm not installing tile. I'm not selling tile. I'm not tied to any manufacturer or product. My role is to help you understand risk early. When fixes are simple, affordable, and still possible. Some people are doing their own remodel and want to be confident they're not missing something critical. Some are hiring contractors and want a second set of experienced eyes. Some are building new and trying to make sense of what's being proposed. That's why I offer different packages, so homeowners can get accurate, unbiased guidance at whatever level they need. Sometimes a short review brings peace of mind. Sometimes it catches problems early before they become expensive later. Either way, the goal is the same. Clarity before commitment. This channel exists to help homeowners understand what really matters before tile gets set. And to give you a way to get professional guidance without being sold something. If you want the basics, I've put together a free checklist covering common remodel mistakes. If you want personal help on your specific project, that's what the Build Risk Review is for. Because spending a little time up front can save you thousands, and a lot of stress, later. Independent Build Risk Review, link in bio.